Hello everyone, I am Sarita Pamnani, your Jolly Phonics teacher. Before we start the new letter, let's revise previous one. Letter S. Letter A. Letter T. Now it's time to start the new letter. Fourth letter of first group, letter I. Letter I. Let's start with a short story. There was a little mouse whose name was Pinky. She climbed out of the cage and suddenly she saw a cat watching her. She squeaked. He ran across the top of the desk and ink spilled out everywhere. Inky the mouse kept on running, making the sound like ick, ick, ick. Yes, the sound of letter I is ick, ick, ick. And the action of letter I is ick, 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 ick. Let's see how to write letter I. Ick, ick, ick. 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 Letter I. Now we listen the words corresponding to the picture. Okay. What's this? Igloo. What's this? Arrow. Is it related to letter I? No. So we cross out the picture. What are these? Insects. Insects. What's this? An ink bottle. Ink. Okay. Now blend the words with me. It. 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 Sit. It. Sit. Okay. So let me tell you one more thing. As we have been told and telling to kids, I for ice cream, I for iron. But as per phonics rule, I for ice cream and I for iron, it is wrong. It is wrong because the sound of letter I is E, not A. Now let's sing a song. Inky the mouse is my pet. She spilled the ink and got wet. The ink is sprayed all over the desk. So that's all for today. See you in my next video. Till then, bye.